purpose of my visit today, including my son minister as well as the peers and the officers from the Ministry of Local Government, is to come and actually assess the status of the work that is currently underway here for the Keiyasi New Town Growth Center. I think the project is one of the key areas, development areas that the coalition government is working on right now, is to try and bring the services closer to the communities, as well as also promote some areas around Fiji where people don't need to go down to the main urban centers, especially here in the two provinces of Nalumisa and Navosa. Instead of going, farmers from Keiyasi as well as Navosa are going down to Singatoka, it's about 60 kilometers from here. They can just come and do all the business dealings here. Because I'm told here every Thursday, this place is always busy. It's busy people, middlemen come all the way from Suva and from other areas around Fiji to come and buy turmeric and some other tobacco leaves as well as other products that are supplied by the communities around Keiyasi. So in a way, we are promoting growth here, because the completion of this project is also going to improve the local economy here in Keiyasi. Not only that, it's also going to also contribute to the gross domestic product of our country. And I think because we're also part of the new project, part of this new subdivision, because part of a new town center, we will be having some commercial sites supported by some industrial sites, as well as areas that we have identified for sporting services like the National Fire Authority. We're going to have a new station, as well as spaces for the barracks, and also to supplement the services that are provided by most of the government departments, agencies here. We have a nursing station here, we have a health center here, we also have some other government ministries that are stationed here. So in a way, it helps in the connectivity between the services that are provided by government and the needs around the area of Keiyasi as well as Navosa region. And in a way, it's good for development, for promotion of development around this area, and also good for the people around here. And I've also been told by the contractor that there are about 4 heavy truck drivers around here, and also other people that have been employed around these areas. So in terms of the local economy here, it's helped in the provision of employment to the people around this area, and also even a small shop that we have here. The person here is saying like is also looking forward to the opening of this, because it's going to generate a lot of economic activities here and also create a lot of employment opportunities. So as a whole, it'll be good for the local community here, as well as for the people of Navosa, most definitely for the people of Fiji. The project in total is around $10.4 million. Will hopefully be completed by October 2025 for this year. We've been given a budget of close to $750,000, and so far we have received a first claim from the contractor, which is good. Knowing this is second month for the new financial year, so we're looking forward to complete these, utilize whatever funds will be given this year. Also looking forward to for more assistance once the development progresses. I think this is one of the initiatives by the coalition government is to promote some of these growth centers. I think this is one. We also have Nambowalu, then also have other small townships now where we are thinking of developing further. Like I just said, it is a way of bring services that are normally provided in the main towns and cities closer to the people. And this is one of the reasons why the government is fully supportive of this initiative, is to actually assist our people, especially those that live in the outskirts of the main town cities, like here. People living outside, the boundaries of Singatoka town, and mostly people that live around the highlands in Navosa, as well as other areas that are outskirts of the main town cities in Vitilevu, as well as in Nolevu. The main highlight of this project is because like we are promoting a growth center here. Not just so now, like in the future, we're looking forward to more economic activities to be generated here. So now we're having businesses like courts only in Singatoka, so people have to go down all the way to Singatoka to try and look for products. But hopefully, we'll have some supermarkets coming in, good supermarkets to serve all these people, because there's a lot of opportunities here. There's money around here. This place is like the salad bowl of Fiji. So there's a lot of money here. There's a lot of investment opportunities around here, and hopefully we'll be able to attract some business that normally, and as well as some services that are normally offered in our towns and cities.